In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT BEP20 from Binance to Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. You need to get your USDT BEP20 wallet address. So I'm going to open my Trust Wallet now. So you can see right here, we have the USDT BNB Smart Chain, right? So come on here and ensure you turn it on. So you can see mine is currently on. So mine is on, right? So click on it. Click on the receive, copy your address, open up your Binance, click on this, click on withdraw, click on this, paste your Trust Wallet USDT BEP20 address here, right? Click on select network, select the first option, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Once you have entered everything correctly, click on the withdraw, do the verifications. Your USDT BEP20 is going to arrive here in your Trust Wallet. It's going to come on here, right? So if you find this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.